Hey guys, welcome to Shifted to Gear. Just wanted to introduce our latest purchase, an Evo 8 GSR. This is a 2003 model. It is a modified example. I can go through just basic mods that I do know of. And I will admit this was a bit of an impulse purchase. I don't even know exactly what's on the car at the moment, but I'm very excited for this vehicle. I've had it for about 4 days now, and I'm first time a Mitsubishi Evo owner, and I never was into them too much. Always had STIs, always had WRXs, have an S15 as well. Now guys, first thing you'll see at the front end here is the actual front lip. It's a carbon fiber front lip here. I actually managed to chip it just over there. First day I got it, and I wasn't too happy about that, but what do you do? I'll probably get that fixed later. 17-inch Ray gram lights. Now they're 235, I think it's an 8.5 width wheel, and I do need new tires for these, but I don't know how I feel about the wheels. I was thinking of going something different, maybe going a different color or different style, but we'll see how it goes. Coming around, you do have some aftermarket side skirts. I don't know exactly what type they are, but not the biggest fan. Might end up changing them as well. And you'll see as well the back rear bumper. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't hate it, but we'll see if we're going to end up changing that as well. I actually like the most of it, but I don't like those little square things on either side that you see over here. Not a big fan of those. Also have the big spoiler here, of course. And this is pretty much the exterior of the car. Have this little piece here as well. I don't know how I feel about that. It is a bit faded here. I might actually end up either fixing that up, painting it, or taking it apart and getting a new one. Now going inside, we'll just go through it with you guys. This is the interior of the car. First thing you'll notice when you get in is the turbo timer here, and you've also got the boost gauge over there as well. That's a DEFI gauge. We've got the controls over here. Completely ancient stereo system. I do need to change that. One thing I'm actually glad about is no one's actually torn apart the speakers in this, and it does have the stock sound system, which after all my previous cars I actually prefer it that way. I don't want to put a big sub in the boot and mess with all the wires, so I'm actually glad about that, but I'll definitely need to change this, put a nice Apple CarPlay head unit, and yeah, we'll see how it goes from there. Thing at the moment with the car, one thing we do need to do, it does have the ABS sensor light on, and it does have all three of these ACD control lights on as well. Now I have bought the sensor. I've taken it to the Mitsubishi dealer, and they're saying that most likely will go away once I put that new sensor in, so we're just waiting for the installation on that, and that should take care of that over here. Stock seats, pretty much very stock interior, as you'll notice. Does need a clean though. Everything else is pretty straightforward. Now this is going to sound very silly. I actually don't know what this is here. This little thing, I press it, and there's a little speaker there. It speaks something in Asian, and I don't know exactly what it says, but one day I'll figure out what it does. It does have a sunroof, guys, completely working. So just press the button, it just lifts up, and obviously we'll close it. Pretty keen for that as well. Now moving on to the back. Alright guys, just wanted to do a quick point of view drive of the car, or I can just while holding the camera. Now it is back streets over here, so I'm not going to go anywhere crowded or too many cars. See how it feels. Now we're here in Australia. This particular model is an imported model from Japan. It is powered by a Haltech Platinum 1000 ECU, tuned at 220 at all four wheels. At the moment, it's plenty of power for me. I'm enjoying it. Plenty of smiles and plenty of laughs driving it around. But I do know it's probably something I do want to upgrade with a bit more power later down the road. Bigger turbo, and obviously a few more mods to get it to that level. But it's got the underlinings of it all. I think it's a really good place to start, and we're going to have a lot of fun with this car. Now that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Just wanted to introduce yourself. Just wanted to introduce the car, and happy days. We'll hopefully see you. Alright guys, now this was just a quick introduction to the channel, and also the car itself. We do have plenty more vehicles coming. I do have an S15 as well I'm going to show you guys, and some more fun little toys that's going to come along eventually. this was just a quick introduction to the new car. You're going to be seeing a lot more of it. If there's any specific content that you do want to see, do let us know, and we'll definitely have a look and give you that stuff that you guys want.